Yo, yo. Back with another watch list. Got two main watches going into tomorrow. We got this OTRK. No prior overhead resistance. Had a gap up kind of transitional day. Nate often calls it, where it lets out bag holders if they wanted to sell, brings in new buyers, shorts come in, and it kind of transitions the shareholder base. And now that it's starting to build over this 50 cent range and the big breakout through 62, nice ABC deer held well today right through the afternoon. So I'm looking to trend join something there. Ideally, it fails up here and consolidates near its highs with tighter range. But I'd look for a 62 break to join that trend. And NUVB is my other main watch, going from 170 to $4. Hasn't gone green. This day they put out a PR saying that they bought another company that does cancer stuff. It was an all stock transaction. So the other company's shareholders got like 33% of the stock, and then the shareholders of this one got the other 2/3. So I don't know. It doesn't really seem that major. I'm just trading chart patterns. I like to know why it ran or if it had a reason. That's the only reason I looked at it. But chart wise, I like gap up, gap up, gap up. This is range expansion compared to prior days, and volume starting to blow off here. You can see volume profile, definitely huge up here. So if we get like this range, like 390 to start to break down, I think we could have a trend join for a short sell and a green to red move. I'd look to join a trend back towards the same 4 EMA. Even on a gap up, if I see some sort of exhaustion volume like this, I'd be willing to give that a try. So those would be my two main watches. Other stuff I'm keeping tabs on. We had a bunch of runners today. We had IBIO, just keeping tabs on it. Sizu, nice breakout here through the fives, and monster run here. It's a bit too thin for me to want to short sell. I just prefer to avoid disaster in these situations. But if this starts to pull back, I'd look for a backside bounce, first green day type play. CGC, I had mentioned this. I didn't really know what to do with it. Didn't have much conviction in a direction. But nice breakout there. It's pulling some other weed names with it. OCGN, still holding this 160 area. So at this point, I either want to see similar to Lycee, like if this sort of panic back down to the breakout level, I'd look for a scalp trade, just an intraday reactive trade. Or if this starts to consolidate here, I could also see myself playing a breakout trade if it consolidates up here and proves itself long enough. GOEV gave up its trend, so not much to watch there. So yeah, I think two main watches, NUVB and OTRK going into tomorrow.